Hello, my name is Alex, and I did my project on the electric ray, as seen in the picture here. I chose this topic because I wanted to go further in depth to understand the benefits of an organism being electric. Every living creature around the world produces electricity, even humans. Some organisms are able to actually use this electricity for predatory benefits, though. Electric rays have two special kidney-shaped organs that generate as well as store electricity, similar to a battery. Electric rays, also known as the torpedo, are found worldwide in warm and temperate waters. Most electric rays inhabit in shallow waters. However, few subspecies of the rays inhabit waters at depths above 3,000 feet deep. These rays can reach a length of up to 140 centimeters and a weight of 41 kilograms. Electric rays have two dorsal fins and a very muscular tail, with a more developed fin. Electric organs have been developed over time in both marine and freshwater fishes. Benefits of an organism being electric include increased strength and ability to kill prey. In the front of this picture, you can see the ray's eyes are located on the top of the head, and this results in the ray having poor vision. In the middle of the body, you can see the pectoral fins, which allow the ray to move and navigate through the ocean. The dorsal fin is in the back towards the tail, which is also where the electric organ is stored. Connecting the tail to the pectoral fins is the ventral fin, directly in the middle of the ray. Darwin did an experiment on electric eels, one aboard the HMS Beagle. When cut up, Darwin found 3 organs inside which looked like they were made up of muscle tissue. However, he learned that they were where the animal made and stored its electricity. These 3 organs made up about 80% of the entire fish's body. The structure in which the fish can create their electric fields is called the electric organ. Usually, this organ is stored in the tail of the fish. In order to use the electricity, the ray discharges when the brain sends signals that then release a neurotransmitter onto the electrocytes. A ray can produce discharge ranging from about 8 volts all the way up to 220 volts. Following the signal from the brain, tiny molecular doors are opened which allow ions that are positively charged to create an electric current. This process is very similar to how humans move ions around inside of their brains. Here is a phylogenetic tree with the closely related species to the electric ray. The organisms with the dark red box use electricity to be stronger predators in the ocean. The organisms with the peach color box have electric capabilities but do not use them against their prey. They usually use them to defend themselves against stronger predators. In this picture, you can see the ray's mouth and how big it is, because it needs to gather up plankton in order to survive. In order to feed, most electric rays bury themselves under the sand throughout the day, and during the night they come out to feed. These rays may feed on other fishes as well as worms and plankton on the seafloor. Because these rays feed off of plankton, the ecosystem in which they live in remains healthy and functional. An impact that an electric ray might have is when its electrocytes are larger, is when it electrocutes a larger prey, not necessarily always killing it. They use their electricity to stun the prey, then guide the food from its pectoral fins all the way to its mouth, located underneath the ray's body. Rays also use their electric powers to defend themselves from other predators. Now a video will be played showing the movements of an electric ray throughout the ocean. Here, the ray is moving itself with its pectoral fins The eyes, as you can see, are located on the top of the head of the electric ray. This limits its vision to only seeing above it. That is why the ray always has to remain close to the seafloor to gather its food, because it cannot see anything underneath it. Its eyes are mainly to see above it, to protect itself from other larger predators that may attack it from above. The dorsal fin is used to propel it through the water, allowing it to speed up or slow down. As you can see, throughout the whole video, the ray is staying close to the ground because it is unable to see below it, not wanting to get attacked by a larger predator. Now the ray propels itself away using its dorsal fin. Throughout my research on the electric rays, I was able to learn a lot about their benefits to the oceans of the world and how their electricity is transported through their bodies to use on their prey. I learned the vital relationship that the electric ray has with their marine ecosystem to keep it healthy. This project has taught me how rays use their electricity through discharge and how beneficial it is to their survival. This project was very interesting in that I learned so much about the electric rays. Thank you for listening.